Hey friends, if you encounter class not registered error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution will be to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable, which has all DLL files. So search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Then go to the link, go to Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Scroll down, click on the x64 version if you have a 64-bit computer and x86 for a 32-bit computer. Click on open, click on repair, and then it will repair it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.